See here, any channel will be two type of earnings. One is called two type of monetization. One is called yellow ads, second will be green ads. So if your any video typed for yellow ad means the video will getting for revenue or will be question mark for your revenue. Getting for revenue or the question mark for your revenue. So how to check the green mark and the yellow mark? So when uploading video, the showing for green mark is called the eligible for total ads. The eligible for total ads. So in this one, you can check here. See, if you go each and every page, we can check for the green or yellow. When coming to yellow, means no ads, not eligible for total earning for the video. Maybe ads came or not. This is always question mark. So I'm checking page C is there. Just find it by one page. So here it will showing for yellow ad means limited ad, no ads. In this particular video, will showing for yellow will be called the showing for limited ad, no ads. Means it not eligible for earning will be full-fledged for earnings. Full-fledged for earnings. So you can check for this earnings will be here in this analytics. We'll check for based on the views how much NA will be accept. So in this one, 5 minutes are watching, 2 minutes views, 2 minutes 21 minutes. How much NA will be? Only for 0 earnings will be accept. Means it will be showing for no ads or limited ads for when you come into LR. So that is very powerful for your content. You are not content eligible for green nothing but this is not complete by your content policies. The showing for green. There is a very mandatory field. That is called your select. Content is very important from your YouTube channel for uploading the users. Any not clear content and it will be possible be not useful content. We can showing for yellow color of ads. So anyone, just you can check by based on the pages, they show your yellow and the green ad. When any will be possible by YouTube channel, green ads. Which one? Green ads. Yellow will be called limited earnings or no earnings on yellow ads. So when green is a totally successful your green ads. That is called your YouTube channel policies.